Through gate number 3.
Hi everyone, so we just landed here at Pasayag Airport and here's my bonbons. Hi everyone! So finally, we are here in Siargao!
Hi.
So, dito kami magsistay sa Big Wave Siargao for 6 days and 5 nights. Okay. So guys, mag-rest muna kami and then mag-ayos kami ng gamit. And later, magdi-dinner kami and meron daw ditong bar, party. So, we'll see kung anong ganap dun later.
Hello! Hello!
Hi guys! So, dinner time kasi late na rin kami nakadating dito sa Siargao. Sweet!
Sa unahan lang.
Dyan lang, no? Kakarating lang namin yun. Ay, kasi ginabi na kami.
Nandun nightlife.
Dyan ng banda.
Andyan
Magkano po lahat?
Siargao. Apag.
Kampo. Free fried lang po. Hindi, dalawang cook na po. Sarap yan, mahal. Lagi niluluto rin.
Wow! Wow!
Ano ba? Meron ng bagat sa...
Hey!
Hey, yo, check this out! I wanna know where's all the ladies at? All the ladies make some noise!
So guys, we rented a Fajo. Ayan. Tinuturo na ni Kuya kay Jo kung paano. Kasi first time lang niya mag-motor ng ganyan. And ako din. Hindi ko alam kung 500 or 600. But we'll see. So ayan. Tuturuan sila doon. Napakainit. Kaya dito na lang ako.
Hi guys! Good afternoon!
So, this is our second day in Siargao and today
Yes.
pa lang kami mag-explore. So, ang plan namin today is ano lang,
tutor lang around dito sa area, yung mga nilakad namin kagabi. To-check namin ng may araw kung pati sa beachfront, lalakad kami.
Yeah. Tapos baka dumaan kami dun sa Coconut Road. Kasi nag-rent kami ng Fazio, guys. So, i-figure out pa namin actually kung paano i-drive yun.
Kaya naman i-drive. So...
Yeah, so makakapaglibot kami kasi meron kaming service. Samahan nyo kami sa aming Siargao Day 2. Yes. And let's go.
Let's go.
So, they have here a small pool dito sa may likod. And ito naman, guys, paakyat sa second floor nila. Hindi ko lang kung ba't nagmumoist yung cam ko. Wait. Ayan! Ayan, guys, second floor. And here's Bombs. Fini-figure out yung Fazio. Nagmumoist talaga. Are you ready? Paggas muna kami. Here. Dito na kami ngayon sa Isla Corgis Cafe. So, inside siya ng Jacking Horse. So, tara guys. Ito po yung driver, no? Pagod na pagod. Hindi kita makita. Ba't ganun? Let's go inside. OMG guys. Close pa sila. 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Ang may siesta time sila dito. Tayo. Babalik na lang kami kasi siesta time ng mga 4G. So, go back. Hello everyone! So, today, andito kami sa Bugnao. Dahil saradong Isla Corgis. So, mag-ice cream muna kami. So, mag-ice cream muna tayo dahil sarado yung kapehan. So, let's go. Gusto ko ng milk chocolate na melted sauce lang.
We were telling guys that we speak a bit low. It was like,
Tingnan natin kung sino naman na natin.
so, it's not okay, guys. It's a bit nice. Your normal voice is too lazy. So I went outside.
Decided to stop over and do some picture taking. Wow, ito yung secret beach ni Nadine Lustre, guys. Ayun, makikita nyo. Maison Bucana. Dito po daan.
Secret beach tayo?
Yeah.
Wala pa mga dilang plastic bottle mo pagkain.
Wala pa.
Wala.
Dito lang kayo sa dulo. Thank you.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa Katangnan Bridge. May breathtaking sunset view dito pero hindi na namin naabutan. Ayan, maraming mga food here as you can see. So, it's time to eat here at Isla Cocina, Siargao. Here's my bonbons. Pagod na yan kakadrive. Ito siya, guys. Sobrang nice. 1, 2, 3, open. Init. Ang bango ng cheese.
Yes.
security. Pagod security. Guys, pagod na mahal ko. Pagod. Nag-drive na motor yan. Ay, kumakanta kasi habang nag-drive ako ng motor. Ko-concert, kaya pagod na pagod. Kain muna kami dinner, guys. Ito yung food namin tonight, guys. Ayan, fish maya-maya, cordon bleu, tapos spinach with cheese. Moms.
So ayan guys, dito kami sa may pool area and it's raining. Nagko-content kami. Ulan na, wala na. Good morning, love. Day 3. So where are we going today?
Island tour.
Parang may effects yung camera dahil sa moist. Ayusin ko.
Mag-island tour kami ngayon, guys. Hindi ako familiar sa mga place. Iba ang vibes kami sa atin. Siya kasi nag-book eh. Kasama lang ako. Follow the leader. Follow the leader later.
We're just waiting for our sundo kasi susunduin nila kami ng between 7:30 to 8 a.m. and 7:50 na. I'm so excited and we're gonna say goodbye to our Fazio. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you again sa ibang araw.
Kasi ni-rent lang namin to for 1 day.
Yung sundo namin, guys. Ito na.
After that, proceed to the second island, what we call Daku Island. So Daku Islanders take or land, so put on time, so you are a joiners, it's a lot of people. So don't be sure, don't be shy to other people. After that, proceed to the last island, what we call Nikid Island, but not to do Nikid. Nagalulan na itong mga pinaghirapan.
We love Siargao! Secret Island.
55 minutes.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Secret Island. 55 minutes kami mag-stay here. And Secret Island siya kasi secret lang yung island. Like, mababa lang. Ayan. we're here na sa Daku Island.
Are your hands clean? Yep.
This is our food. Sobrang hati-hati kami doon. Ayun sila. Mukha pa sila doon. Sobrang init. Bahala na kung ano matira sa amin. Let's go. So guys, alam niyo ba, kami lang yung ano dito. Kami lang yung Pinoy. Kasama naman lahat sa table foreign. So ito guys, try natin. Hindi ko alam yung tawag, nakalimutan ko. Lalagay ko na lang yung name dyan.
Yellow po namin ako, pasensyahan nyo na, color white.
Spider web daw.
Paano ko nakain yun?
Guys, this is the naked island. Naked lang talaga. Literal naked. It's raining in Naked Island.
Say we love Siargao, tapos jump shot. Okay, jump shot.
Okay na kuya?
Okay na.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith, I know that you're safe, I know you'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet. You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's worth.
This is the Maasin Mountain View. Ito si Kuya mag-human drone sa atin.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Mountain View.
Maasin Mountain View, look at our view.
I love you.
I love you. Welcome to Sugba Lagoon, guys. This is our 5th day here in Siargao. And sorry kung ngayon lang kami nakapag-update kasi wala pa kami sa mga wisyo namin. So ito guys, so look at the view again.
Ang ganda ng tubig dito guys, ang
I
linaw.
love the view. So this is our 3rd destination. Tama ba?
Sa tour natin today.
Yeah, land tour kami today plus lagoon, which is Sugba Lagoon. Guys, magpipicture-picture muna kami dito and mag-activity and later na namin kayo update.
Bye. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Magpupungko
Rock. And this is our view. Yan yung Magpupungko Rock. Pupuntahan natin yan.
Ay, may tumatanong dun.
So, from Sugba Lagoon, pumunta kami dito sa Magpupungko Rock. Pero nag-lunch muna kami. And then, nagpahinga lang kami here kasi sobrang init. And ngayon, mag-explore na kami dun sa rock. So, 2:40, babalik na kami sa van para pumunta sa Maasin River. And it's now 2:30. So, we only have 10 minutes.
Okay,
So, let's
see you
go!
guys. Peace.
Hi guys! Welcome to Maasin River.
Hindi po ma'am, pangalan lang po yung mga... Shop talaga siya ma'am.
We're having our 2nd year anniversary dinner here at Siargao Island.
Labs, tingin ko na dito. Ganda ng room nila dito, Bams. Nakita ko sa TikTok. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Siargao Island Villas. Ganda dito. First time namin nakapunta kung kailan last night namin dito sa Siargao kasi bukas babalik ko na Manila. Ganda, beach front siya ng hotel. Sa amin kasi swimming pool ng hotel namin. Beach front siya guys.
Guys, mamaya dun kami mag-iinuman na sa may beach.
Yeah, let's go.
So, kain muna.
Kain mo na. Hi. Dito yung kaya.
Wow!
Hi guys, good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa Tao Hygiene.
Ako mag-evolve class. Siya naman mag-training. Mag-workout siya.
Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot. Tare, tare. Puso may recipients. Ayan yung resto guys.
Oh, guys, we're here sa Siargao. Ang ganda ng logo nila, no? Ano matawag dito? Spider, shell.
Shell. Yung kinain natin.
Wow. Siargao was named after 2 children, Alessia and Santiago. So this is our view. Wow, it's so nice. I love. Hi guys, so this is our day 6 in Siargao and we're going back to Manila later. Right now, we are here at
Siargao.
Yes. Dito kami magla-lunch and meron kaming gagawing podcast, guys. So, abangan nyo yan. Season 2 ng Danjel Podcast.
Tapos guys, nag-lunter kami. Nag-apply kami ng package as joiners.
Yeah.
So, nakapunta kami ng 5 destinations.
Yeah, hindi na kami masyado nakapag vlog and everything. Nakapag-explain kung ano nangyayari kasi we're just enjoying the moment.
Pero na natin, clip natin.
Yeah, na-clip namin and ayun.
Saka guys, if ever man napupunta kayo dito sa Siargao, tapos dalawa lang kayo, or mag-partner lang katulad namin, mas maganda if ever na magtutour kayo is mag-avail na namin kayo as joiners kasi
Yeah.
mas ano siya, mas practical.
Yeah. Mostly usually sa mga napuntahan namin, gumamit kami ng Paseo as our mode of transportation. Enjoy, pero kasi alam mo yun, parang hindi kasi siya marunong mag-motor. Like, hindi siya sanay. So, parang mabagal lang kami, ganun. Tapos, bilad sa araw.
Marunong ako, pero hindi ko ba siya sanay na
Nakasabi ko lang. Sobrang effort maging content creator and vlogger. Kasi biruin mo, hindi mo lang sa phone i-record, kailangan meron din sa camera. Tapos, iba pa yung portrait mode, sa landscape mode, iba pa yung picture, iba pa yung, ano mo yun?
Buti nga din, laking sa atin, parang laking gaan ng trabaho natin. Kasi yung mga tour guide na rent natin is ni-help nila tayo mag-clip.
Yes.
So,
parang free photographer, videographer.
so